Aurora Borealis, better known as the Northern Lights, and predominantly seen around the Arctic and Antarctic. We all talk about the Northern Lights and how we want to stare and gaze at them forever. But have we ever considered what we're actually looking at? I'm here at the Kaksilautarten Arctic Resort in Ivalo, Finland, in pursuit to find these lights. This peaceful resort is sometimes referred to as the Glass Igloo Hotel. But before beginning our search and understanding the chemistry of these lights, it's time to enjoy some of the other activities, including husky sleighing, sledging, and enjoying warm fires and traditional food in teepees.
Minus 23 degrees, walking, losing breath quickly, but scenery is incredible. Whew.
Ivalo, being at the very north of Finland, is in Lapland. Who knows if Santa could be around?
After relaxing in the saunas and husky sleighing in the day, it's time to find the aurora on these snowmobiles.
During the midnight hours, the snow looks like glimmering crystals.
2 hours later, and emerging from the night sky, we finally gaze in awe at this breathtaking stream of lights.
Contrary to popular belief, the colours are not that vivid to the naked eye. However, the camera is able to capture the lights in all their glory. What are we actually looking at? It all begins 150 million kilometres away at the sun. Great storms on the sun send blasts of charged solar particles through space. It's likely that these particle streams will hit the Earth and will react with the atmosphere and the magnetic field.
So now these charged solar particles have arrived into the Earth's atmosphere and are going to react with the atoms, causing them to excite. So what does it mean for an atom to be excited?
Here we see an atom at its ground state. When the charged particle collides with the atom, this will cause it to excite.
When an atom is excited, one of these electrons are moved to a higher orbital. But as it starts to relax and come back to its ground state, a photon is released, otherwise known as a light particle.
These photons that are being released are what give these magical colours to the Northern Lights. When the particles collide with oxygen, this is what gives the green colour. When we see the pinky bluey colours, this means nitrogen is reacting with these charged particles.
Walking in this cold, crunching snow and breathing in the crisp air, all I can say is this is a must-do bucket list event for anyone. From huskying to snowmobiling to finding the Aurora Borealis, I can truly say that this has been one of the most magical and wonderful experiences of my life. Now to go inside, because I'm numb.